Ang gagawin natin ngayon, paandarin natin tong 4-wheel drive natin na sasakyan na 3.2. Subukan natin paandarin. After 5 months, November, December, January, February, March, April. Mga 4 months. November, October, November, December, January, February, March. 5 months bago hindi natin napaandar. Ngayon susubukan natin paandarin itong sasakyan natin na 4-wheel drive. 3.0 yung engine. 3.0 ang engine. Paandarin natin. Subukan natin. Kakalikutin natin. Yan. Yan. Ito. Paandarin natin itong 3.0 natin na 4-wheel drive. Yan. Yan 3.0 natin. Nakikita nyo. Four-wheel drive to. Bali, sira yung transmission nito. Pero may parts na ako. Pero bago ko palitan yung bali ko, ibaba yung transmission, susubukan ko munang paandarin. Bali itong mga tools natin dito. Nandito yung mga tools natin. After 5 months, hindi natin napa-andar to. Pero nalubricate natin bago natin naman. Subukan natin paandarin kung umandar. Ito yung makina niya. Ito yung transmission. Ibababa natin yung transmission kasi papalitan natin ng tawag yan, gear. Ito yung gear na bago natin nabili. Ito yung gear. Bali marami na tayo nasira niyan na gear. Ito yung mga tools natin na kakailanganin pag repair. Mamaya pagbaba natin yung transmission, yan, i-ready lang natin. Yan. Tapos ito, kailangan natin yung mga tools. Kailangan naka-ready. Ngayon pag kumandar, lilinisin natin yung spark plug. Ito yung pangano niya ng spark plug. Hugasan natin yung spark plug. Bali, marami na akong nasirang gear dito. Ito, ilang gear na. Bali, yan, sira dyan ang gear. Bali, pangatlo na. Ito mga sira niya, makikita niyo, worn out na. Kaya papalitan natin ito yung bago. Sabi ng mekaniko doon sa dapat daw pag nagja-jump ako, wag daw i-rib. Halimbawa, pag mo sa jump, nasa taas siya, wag mo daw i-gagasan. Kaya nasisira itong gear, mga worn out ng gear, mga sira na. Ito yung mula sa engine papunta sa transmission. Ito yung transmission. Kailangan may sombrero. Ngayon subukan natin paandarin ito. Sana umandar to, pero bago natin palitan kailangan paandarin ko kung umandar. Yan, walang gas dito, lalagyan natin ng gas. Pag umandar to, subukan na natin ibaba yung transmission. Ito palang kanyang pinakasusi, igniter. Yan, dapat sinacharge yan. Ito yung gas niya. Bali 20% ito. 11, 20%. 11 by 20% ang ano nito. Marumi siya kasi lagyan lang natin ng kaunting gas muna. Sana umandar siya. Matagal-tagal din tong nabasyo. Nga. O gumagana naman yun. Right, left. Ito yung acceleration. Tingnan natin kung mandar. Ang pagpandar nito, pagbago pa lang medyo matagal. Kailangan hindi siya malunod. Ito pala yung filter, air filter. Tanggalan muna natin para makita natin yung carburetor. Kailangan ma-prime yung carburetor ng gas, pero bakit nabalik? Okay. Siguro andar. Matagal. Bilangin nyo mga 100 nito. 100 na ano. Kailangan natin naka-open siya. Basta natin ng kaunti. Uusok tayo dito pag umandar to. Mausok to eh. Sana umandar. Medyo mahirap andarin ito eh. Kaya bago ka pumunta sa racing, dapat napapandar mo na to. Itong ano nito kasi hindi electronic ang starting. Ha? Nag-work. Ito yung mga di makinang RC. Kaya medyo maraming nagsisip sa electronic. Pandar pa lang dito, mahirap na. Ayaw no. Buksan pa natin, bigyan natin ng gas. Malamig yung engine. Medyo mananakit yung kamay natin dito sa umpisa. Lalo na matagal siyang hindi napaandar. Smart. Baka rin itong battery natin mahina. Hindi pa ito na fully charged. Okay lang. Medyo walang gas. Tsaga lang to dito. Pag hindi siya umandar, ibababa natin yung engine. Overhaulingin natin. Ang pag ano nito, wag pataas ka agad. Pag sobrang taas. Bigyan pa natin ng gas. Ayaw no? Ayaw. I-off muna natin yung remote para ma-adjust natin. Yan, mag-open siya. Malagyan ng gas sa loob. Kaso pag ganyan bubulusok to eh. Okay, yun natin ulit. Yan, nagsara siya. Bigyan natin ng kaunting gas. Yan. Malamig yung makina. Talagang hindi siya andar. Bawasan natin yung acceleration.
Angel!
Throttle. Yan, masyadong naka-open yung throttle. Malamig yung ano, masyadong malamig. Cold. Kaya magredondo. Hindi kaya lobat itong ano natin. Lagyan pa natin ng gas. Tumalsik na yung gas, lunod na. Lunod ang ating engine. Pero andar siya. Nagkano siya. Ayaw lang tuloy. Bawasan natin. Ayaw. Nawawalan ng gas sa line. Nawawalan ng gas sa line. Mayroon naman oh. Ito yung transmission niya. Ito yung makina natin. 3.2 ito. Bali tumatakbo to ng hanggang 60 km an hour. Ito yung ano dito, ang pagpa-start sa umpisa ang medyo kailangan ng tiyaga. ko mahina ito. Mahina ang ano, ignite. Hindi na kayang paikutin. Dapat ito na fully charged. Ayaw magredondo. Lagyan pa natin ng gas. Maraming gagawin itong sasakyan na to. Kasi na-abuse natin ito last summer. Too much gas pag ganyan. Maraming gasolina. Ganyan, tunog. Tanggalin natin. Sobrang taas ng opening ng throttle. Ang throttle siyang ano ng bilis. Bawasan natin. Hirapan na rin ano. Yan open na open yan. Sira muna natin. Ayaw. Medyo i-charge natin ito.
Cases are in Toronto, 352 are in Peel, 163 are in York, 55 in Durham, and 38 in Halton region.
Wala nga.
More than 47,600
Wala nang charge.
tests were conducted. As of 8 o'clock last night, more than 1.1 million doses of vaccines have been administered.
Walang charge. Kaya may charge muna natin. Patayin muna natin. Gumagana siya. Maganda naman yung ano niya, control. Adjust natin yung steering. Kaliko siya. Kailangan ito ipa-align. Bago ito gamitin, ipapa-align ko. Dadalhin ko siya para ipa-align. Kasi namin kain ng ano. Pinag-shop ko na ito eh. Yung kain ng gulong. Kalbo na dito. Dati nandito ito eh. Sa front, nilagay ko sa likod. Pero bibila ko ng gulong. Nalubat. Ibig sabihin naglulubat yan. Ganyan. Kaya mabalik. Nawawala ng signal. Naglulubat battery dito. Hindi na tumunog dito. Naglulubat. Lubat yung battery dito sa loob. Naman din naman. Yung acceleration lang. Forward sa reverse. Ano. Pero yung left and right, yung steering, medyo mahina. Bali, pag mag-alignment tayo, mag-adjust tayo dito sa tie rod, inner, ay sa outer tie rod. Sasalang to sa machine para i-align. Wala nang tunog dito sa battery. Dapat tumutunog to eh. Gumaganyan. Kaya kikita natin naglubat na. Kaya kailangan i-align din mo yung camber niya. Pud dito. Kailangan ipa-align. Yes. Kaya man. Habang sinacharge natin yun, Palit tayo ng battery dito.
Booked more than 15,000 appointments online for Toronto Public Health.
Eric.
Because at this point, of course, appointments that will be open tomorrow will be for those who are 80 and older. We know retired General Rick Hillier says, in addition to the online portal, more than 2,200 operators will be
Angel!
at Ontario's
May pinalitan na tayo dito na part yung
10,000 calls per hour.
marami na tayong pinalitan dito. Itong
Amakwa.
ito, pinalitan natin
Angel!
yung control. Sira na to. Bali ito yung control sa throttle body. Throttle. Yung acceleration control. Yung forward at saka reverse. $59. Yung kamahalan din. 59. Wala na to doon sa supplier natin na shop. Mag-order daw siya sa US. Ganun. Ito dito may battery to.
And Leah, in total, the province has administered a little under 1.2 million
Na kailangan palitan.
vaccine doses across the province.
Bali, ang battery nito,
Mark Lieberman reporting live at Queen's
Apat.
Park. Mark, thanks so much. Meantime, the Halton District School Board has decided to temporarily close an
battery nakalagay dito.
Oakville. This is because of staffing concerns linked to COVID-19. River Oaks Public School will be closed for in-person learning tomorrow until Friday, March the 19th.
Kaya yung may ibang hobby,
To temporarily close the
gahabi
schools,
nagpapalit sila sa
unit.
yung rechargeable unit kasi di na kailangan nila magpaandar. Pag na-full charge, diretso na lang sila.
The school is scheduled to
Yung battery.
reopen on March 22nd.
Apat yan.
Itetekstahan kita.
Uy!
Kauloy ko lang.
Uy! Uy! Uy!
Ay. Okay lang.
Maririnig ka dyan.
Hindi na. Hindi na inabot sa akin yung ano. Oo. Meron kaming palyat, diba? Namatay.
Palitan natin ng battery.
Ontario's vaccine campaign now includes select family doctors in
Yung battery natin.
Meron pa kami
Bago.
isang waiting.
Yan. Pag nabili tayo, marami yan. Para mas mura. Energizer. Double E. Bali ang laman nito.
Hindi kasi
20.
sa kanina isang
Double
team
E.
ako.
Plus
Ibang
team.
Tapos Luka. Ibang team naman. Kabilang team. Meron din doon waiting. May schedule pa man din ang ano. Schedule pa man din
Look muna
yung
natin
mga
dito.
niya. Pero every 12 hours na.
Head to our website, cp24.com. Also at Queen's Park today, Premier Doug Ford was asked about his
Hindi, okay pa.
week of NDP MPP Sol Namakwa.
Dito.
Ford apologized privately to
Tama.
the Indigenous member on Friday. This after accusing him of
Active
using
siya.
to get the COVID-19 vaccine.
Mas active.
Ano?
Along with all the chiefs, and I get along well with Saul. Things are said. We move forward. I apologize. And,
Ano yung parang
let's
ultrasound din?
move forward. And the thing is, with Saul and I, we both want the same thing.
Oh.
We want to make sure the First Nations community, Indigenous community is represented, and we want to make sure everyone gets vaccines. So on that note, we're on the same page, but let's not forget, we're from two separate political parties. And there's a lot of politics that get played day in and day out in the ledge over there. And I like Saul. I'll be in my office, and we're going to work together to do everything we can for the
May
First
fuel
Nations
trim.
community.
Namakwa says Ford invited him to meet at his office, but he would prefer the Premier visit a northern Indigenous community struggling with clean water, housing, and infrastructure
Balikan natin to.
issues. It is 3:49 plus 1. This is Toronto's breaking news. CP24
May kasama.
commercial air travel in the U.S. appears to be on the upswing despite the pandemic.
Ready siya.
We'll have the details after the break.
Mahirap ang pagbalik nito. Tsaga lang din.
corporations to their knees, and not in a sexy good time way.
Sakto lang siya. Masikip. Hirap pilitin. Kapag ganyan.
Why did I choose Valida?
Because the Vileda Scrunch offers 4 benefits. It's tough on dirt,
Saan ko nga?
non-stick,
Ha?
long-lasting, and
Mhm.
resistant.
May Advil ka?
The Vileda Scrunch.
Oo, mayroon nga.
Meron ka pa?
Feels
Meron.
good to feel at home.
Nasa
Teka,
sakyan.
hanapin
Bakit?
namin.
Happens to you.
Bakit?
Lives change in an instant.
Hindi, kasi parang makainom ka ng ano. Mas maaga, di ba?
Eh, wala. Hindi ko alam. Wala yata doon. Ay,
Hanapin
ewan ko
mo
lang.
muna, ah.
Nasa sakyan.
Ay, nalinggo.
Yung style ng pagpasok dito. Yung battery. Doon sa kaluluban. Hanggang mahigpit ito.
Pag siguro kasi nararamdaman niyang inaano mo. I-let out mo siya.
Mhm. Ganyan.
London's
Ipupus
police chief is defending
natin yan.
during a vigil honoring
Ganyan.
Sarah Everard.
Tapos may lock yan.
Metropolitan Police are facing
Uh-uh.
criticism for the way some
Yung
people
mga
were
lock yan.
treated during last night's vigil. The British Home Secretary and London's mayor are among those speaking out now. Hundreds defied pandemic
Okay.
restrictions, and the gathering ended with clashes between police and some of those attending. The city's police
Marami
commissioner
tayo
said
dito
he
ng
welcomes a review of what happened.
tawag nito.
Oo.
Anybody who was not in the operation
Oo.
can
Battery na luma. Tanggalin ko na lang ito sa sutay.
Ano yun sa telepono?
Hindi pwede pa to sa...
Oo. Buti hindi ka tinex. I'm sure you're crying.
Okay. Patay muna natin para hindi masayang yung battery.
I think it's sad that something
Bang inaantay natin mag-full charge yung ating
Oo, correct.
igniter.
turn into
Malaking bagay.
a mess that didn't help anyone or was completely unnecessary.
Kung tester yung kanyang supply.
When they left, it became what it should have been all along. There was just
Oh,
some
oh, oh,
sort of sadness and a desire to
Ano
be here
dito,
together.
parang hindi naman sa personality niya.
Protesters
Taas
returned
naman.
to the memorial
once
site
ko lang
again
siya
today. The 33-year-old went missing earlier this month, and her body was found outside London this past week. A police officer is
Kumusta
suspected
pala
of
papa mo?
kidnapping and murder. Her disappearance sparked a nationwide
Oh,
outcry.
that's good.
At least 2 people are dead
Bali
and
walang
13 others injured after a shooting in Chicago. It
Mm-mm.
happened at a party overnight in Chicago's South Side.
Ah.
Officers responded to reports of gunfire at a business shortly after 4:30 a.m. Police say the victims range in age from 20
Puno.
to 44.
It's a makeshift pop-up, tow company attached garage slash bar. There's actually a bar set up inside, so at one point it may have been an old lounge.
Ito yung start plug nito.
Obviously converted just for a pop-up party.
Kita mo
We
yun.
don't know what the celebration associated.
Mamaya pag umandar mag-oil tayo.
We're still trying to
Lalagyan natin ng oil yung mga gear.
on what that motor might be.
Oh.
Lulubricate natin. Meron tayong dito. Ito, sa after run na oil pagkatapos yung para sa makina naman ito. Para hindi kalawangin. No? Protect your engine.
Concerns were first
enhanced
raised by
performance
health officials in
in
Austria.
habit,
Researchers have not found a direct
protect your
link
engine.
between the vaccine and blood clots.
Bali dito natin lalagyan ng oil or
Mukha
dito
na
sa
po
spark
yung
plug.
papa mo.
Mas maganda dito sa spark plug. Tanggalin yung spark plug bukasan tapos panda rin. After run. Iba rin yung mga gear oil, saka transmission oil.
Oo.
Chichikin natin yung mga shocks bago natin panda rin. Ihigpitan natin. Kasi matagal natin itong hindi napaandar. Like,
Iba yung, yan din yung iniinom mo, di ba?
October, November, December, January, February, March, 5 months. Pansin natin yung ano, hindi napaandar. Kasi nag-isno na at saka natatakot ako magpaandar kasi may tubig.
Oo. More than kasi 2.5.
Mamaya umpisan kong tanggalin yung
Isang
transmission. Gusto ko muna siya mapaandar bago ko magbaba ng transmission.